Hey everybody, welcome back. We got Josh to put a design on the piece, so we're gonna get her all cut out and possibly round over the edges a little bit with the router, and maybe cut out the neck pocket and everything like that. So you can see here how beautiful that looks. All those nice swirls and everything. Like, that just looks amazing. But you can see across the wood here that he's got a design drawn out, coming real close to the edge over here. But we're gonna hack off a bit on this side and then grab the bandsaw and start cutting some of this out. So let's get her going. All right. Okay, so I'm going to start off on the table saw, get things going, and our piece here, we got 4.5, probably cut off about 4.5 inches, 4 3/4 inches off of this side here, but on the table saw, we definitely want the bigger chunk to be closer to the fence, make it a little bit easier. So we're going this direction, which I want to leave a little bit of meat on this end. So at its widest point, we're about 13 and a quarter, 13 and a half, and we'll call it 13 3/8. So how about we go 13 and 5/8. It's 13. That's a gear cut. And we got a nice big chunk left over here. Might make something out of that. Might see if I can go find a wood lathe or something like that somewhere and maybe make some drumsticks for Joe. But we're going to keep that in the scrap pile. And what do we got here? Cut down this end too. We're at, let's do 17 and a quarter. 17 and a quarter. So here's a nice chunk of our guitar blank. And a nice big piece of leftovers. That leftover looks so cool though. Like, look at that pattern, that color. All play around. That looks so cool. But we got our guitar blank now cut out, or to at least rough shape on all four sides. So we're going to go ahead and take grab our bandsaw and make some relief cuts in here for this section and start getting her to rough shape. All right. So we got our tabletop bandsaw here because it's all I can fit in the shop. But we're going to get her turned on and start cutting our piece out.
Suck it up. Woo! Pick it up, pick it up. Life seems like it sucks, but you don't have a choice. You gotta deal with what you got. You make one move and then everything comes to a grinding stop. Don't stop, think about what you've done. You don't know, you were just having fun. Take the time to realize what went on. Close your eyes, get back down in the comment. Now let's go. Everybody now, suck it up. Oh, suck it up. Oh, suck it up. Oh, suck it up. Life can't be that bad, so suck it up. You slept through your alarm this morning. Now you're late for work. Your week started off bad already. Just trying to make ends meet. You gotta hop on the good foot and do the bad thing. You know what we need. There's only one way to get through life, and we know what that is. Gotta suck it up. Suck it up, suck it up, whoa. Suck it up, suck it up, whoa. Suck it up, suck it up, whoa. Suck it up, suck it up. Life can't be that bad, so suck it up. lost, I can be found. Where the music never gets you down. When the winds push me off my path, the leaves will always guide me back. Rustling and twisting round. Let's go skate and hit the town. Careful, please don't lose me now. I'm flying high above the clouds. The sky becomes so crystal clear. That's when you start to appear. Yeah, yeah, that's what I feel right now. To the ends of the earth and sea, and anywhere in your wildest dreams. Yeah, yeah, that's where you'll find me. All along this lonesome road, to the street lights carry me home. Yeah, yeah, that's where you'll find me.
So we got our guitar shape. She looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, I like it. But we got some nice rough edges that we need to sand down, and might grab the orbital. Might do some of it by hand, especially like down inside this pocket here and this pocket here. Definitely need to get the drill and the spindle bit, or might take it over to the drill press with the spindle bit on it and get that sanded out. But she's a little rough. I didn't have a template for it, so you saw me kind of taking my time there, getting the edges and everything, trying to get as close to the line as I could with the router and everything. I did have a little bit of a screw up, a little gouge there, but that should, whenever we start sanding her down nice and purty, again, after a little while here, that should kind of buff out a little bit, and then whenever we do our flood coat, that'll fill in pretty nicely. But she's looking good. I like it. Starting to look like a guitar. Yeah. That back looks pretty slick too. The epoxy here kind of meeting into the wood down at the bottom like that. That looks pretty slick. Yeah, she's gonna look awesome. All right, well, let's get to some sanding then.
Music, she's always been there for me in my dreams and in reality. Everyone and everything is from you. From you! Remind me of the sun, the sea, and everything between you and me. The sounds we make awake the earth and cleanse the universe. Universe! From the birds to the trees, it's only you and me. To the stars in the sky, it's only you and I. Music, she's always been there for me. To the ends of the earth and sea, and anywhere in your wildest dreams. Yeah, yeah, that's where you'll find me. All along this lonesome road, till the street lights carry me home. Yeah, yeah, that's where you'll find me. Till the ends of the earth and sea, and anywhere in your wildest dreams. Yeah, yeah, that's where you'll find me. All along this lonesome road, social media, then everybody'll know what I think. Everything's so binary, it'll probably just start a war. I'll stand up here with my microphone and hope someone is listening, 'cause I got a lot to say and I wonder if you do too. Everything's better with a microphone, with a microphone. Everyone can hear a microphone, hear a microphone. Everyone grab your microphone and sing along. Everything's better with a microphone, with a microphone. They say there's no heart in music these days, but if I still have a breath, you'll always hear me sing. I've got way too much to say, so many thoughts to filter through. Mostly trash and mostly angst. How about you?